love you, you know. Baby, me love you, you know. Baby, me love you, you know. Addy, wind up your pretty little something, yeah, gal. You do it like the gal them down at Poly Royal. Do you work at Poly Royal, Gemini? Do you work at a gentleman's club, Gemini? Do you work in an escort agency, Gemini? We're not doubting you. We're not gonna load up your business, and we will sure not judge you. We're just saying, wind up your pretty little body, yeah, gal. You do it like the girl them down at Poly Royal. That means you're a professional. How could you be a professional? Poly Royal does not have your application form for a job. So why are you dancing that good? Do you have experience in this field, or are you just Jamaican? Maybe they fail to understand that. Culture. You see this shit? No, you know how to wind your body right. You know how to TikTok right. Jesus Christ, you know how to sit down on the jockey right. And next thing you hear say, you is a escort, you is a prostitute. What do you want to be for Halloween? I'm going to be a prostitute.